Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the solution of the quadratic equation by the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is also known as Sridharacharya rule. The second name of the quadratic formula is Sridharacharya rule. So, firstly, see that what is the general formula for the quadratic equation? It is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So firstly, if you have to find out that this solution has any zeros or not, or real roots or not, so you have to check the value of d. D is called the discriminant. D is called the discriminant. And what is the value of d? It is b square minus 4 into a into c. The value of discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So there are the three conditions. There are the three conditions. What are the conditions? If the value of d is greater than 0, the value of d is greater than 0, then we have real root. It is written real and distinct root. Means both are different. It is the quadratic equation, so it has two roots and both roots will be different. If d is equal to 0, the third condition, if the value of d is equal to 0, then both roots are equal. Both roots are equal. And the third condition is that if the value of d is less than 0, no real root. It means no real root exists. It cannot possible to find out the solution of such quadratic equation. So these are the three conditions of the quadratic equations by finding out the discriminant. And what is the discriminant? The value of discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Suppose the first example, 9x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. Firstly, we have to find out that what are the nature of the roots. In the question in the book, it is mentioned find out the nature of the roots. So we will write down a is equal to 9. We will compare with the standard formula ax square plus bx plus c. The value of a is equal to 9, b is equal to 7, and c is equal to minus 2. We will find out the d. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. What is the value of b? B is equal to 7. 7 whole square, 49. Minus, what is the value of a? A is 9. And what is the value of c? C is minus 2. See that in this term, two terms are minus. So it will be plus. It will be 72. And if you will add it, it will be 121. So it is greater than 0. So we can say that nature will be real and distinct root. Real and different roots. You will write down real and different roots. So find out Sridharacharya formula. What is the Sridharacharya formula? It is a very important formula, Sridharacharya formula. You know that if the power is 2, so this equation has maximum 2 solutions. What are the solutions? We can write down x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This formula is called the Sridharacharya formula. What are the importance of this formula? It is very convenient when you are unable to find out the factorization of any quadratic equation. If you are not able to find out the quadratic solution by the factorization method, then this formula is very helpful. At once you can find out the solution of any given quadratic equation. Suppose we have to find out the same 9x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. The same we have written here 9x square plus 7x minus 2. We will find out its roots or zeros or solution by the Sridharacharya formula. So what are the formula? It is x is equal to minus b. You know that a is equal to 9, b is equal to 7, and c is equal to minus 2. Minus b, what is the value of b minus 7, it will be 7 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. So see that b square minus 4 is nothing but d, and we have already found out its value 121, so no need to find out it again. We will directly put 121 upon 2 into a, the value of a is 9, so it will be minus 7 plus minus 11 upon 18. So you will write down now taking positive sign, x is equal to minus 7 plus 11 upon 18. It will be 4 upon 18, 2 by 9. And the taking negative sign, negative sign means this one. We have taking positive sign, it is written both plus and minus. So firstly we have taking positive sign, it will be taking negative sign, minus 7 minus 11 upon 18. In the next, minus 18 upon 18 is equal to minus 1. So what are the two solutions? Its solution is minus 2 by 9 and minus 1. These are the solutions of the quadratic equation by the Sidracharya method. By the normal factorization method, we can't find out the solution, but by the help of the Sidracharya formula, we have found out the solution of this. So this is the importance of the Sidracharya formula. In the next video, we will discuss the sub question of the NCERT. So go through it. It is very important Sidracharya formula, and revise this question. Thank you.